The denim jacket is one of the most essential pieces of menswear out there. But is yours fitting you properly? What's up everybody, George here from JP The Lifestyle, and in today's video guys, I'll be showing you how a denim jacket should properly fit. As always gentlemen, there is a video summary with timestamps linked in the description if you want to review certain points. Let's get started. Now, how long should the denim jacket be for? In my personal opinion, there are 3 different levels of fit. One for short men, one for regular height men, and one for tall men. Now let's start off with you tall dudes. Now if you're tall and wearing a denim jacket, the first thing, this is universal, is when you're wearing your pants, make sure you wear them normally at your waist level. Don't sag your pants and don't wear them too high hiked up or again too low. If you're a taller guy, you want to make sure that the end of your denim jacket ends right above the waistband of your jeans or your pants, and you want to make sure that there's about a centimeter to no gap in between. I just personally think that this is the most symmetrical look that you can get, the most proportional, and overall fit the length the best. Now if you're a regular height guy, anywhere between 5'9" to 6 foot, you want to make sure that the end of your denim jacket either falls in between the middle of the waistband or anywhere before the top of the waistband. Right in between there. It can be a little bit shorter for you, but I highly doubt it since off-the-rack clothing doesn't really fit the best specifically towards you. But as long as you're in that gap of the waistband between the middle to the upper portion of it, it should be the perfect length for you. Now if you're a shorter man, anything under 5'8", I was about to say 5'9", but then I realized some of my friends are under 5'9", and I don't want to feel like a massive dick. But if you're under 5'8" and you want to get a perfect fitting denim jacket in terms of length, you want to make sure that the end of your jacket stops at either the middle of your waistband or going towards the bottom of your waistband. Once you start hitting zipper territory, the jacket is too long, and I just personally think keep the length at that. Don't go too long, because then you look like you're wearing a dress, and don't go too short because you look like you're wearing a crop top. How do we determine the optimal sleeve length? So once you put on your denim jacket, get all loosened up so everything hangs, and you want to make sure that if the denim jacket, if the sleeve length goes past your knuckles, it is too long, and that is just not a proper fit for you. Now if the end of the sleeve falls anywhere between the middle of your hand to your wrist, the fit is fine because you can wear it, because if you're moving around a lot, it'll slide down and it'll actually look pretty fine and you can get away with the fit. However, if it's longer than that, I would personally recommend, and this is what I usually do for every denim jacket, is I cuff it. I cuff the sleeves because I know if I cuff the sleeves to right about the level of the wrist, for me it adds a little bit of layer of style, because like when you cuff your jeans, it looks cool. I'm so stupid. But then again, if you cuff it, especially if you wear like a Sherpa denim jacket, matching this fur cuff with this collar, it just looks amazing. And I think you can get away with that wearing regular denim jackets, because there's nothing wrong with cuffing a denim jacket sleeve. It's thicker, it's built for it, and it looks rugged. It's supposed to be rugged and masculine. We're not going here for class and elegance. And then again, I just think go cuff the sleeve if you're not sure or you're a little iffy about it, because the jacket may fit in every other aspect great, but if this is the one thing that is keeping you from buying it, fuck it, just cuff it and buy it if you like it and it fits great in every other aspect. Now onto how the jacket should fit across your chest, and I like to do a weird test. I don't know what this is called, I think I just made it up, but what I like to do is when I put the jacket on, I like to put my arms like this, like a robot, and I want to pretend like I'm giving somebody a hug. Now, why do I do this? It's because I want to see the amount of movement that I have across the chest, and if I feel that I can't get a full hug, I know it sounds ridiculous, then it is too tight. Then again, this jacket is a little thicker, so it is a little mixed bag. But then again, if you can do this, and there's just ever so slight little bit of resistance, mid to low resistance, I still think the jacket can fit you great, as long as it does not feel like it's going to rip, and it doesn't feel like you have a whole lot of restricted movement, that you can still, have a fair bit of movement. You can swing your arms, you can raise, you can give people hugs. I still think that's great. Even when you button it up, try it out. Make sure that it is actually, not going to explode. And that's it for me today, guys. That is how a denim jacket should fit. If you guys have any questions you'd like me to help you out, drop them in the comments below. And if you guys enjoyed this video, be sure to drop a like and subscribe to the channel, because it does help the channel grow. I can reach more people with these videos. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I hope to see you in the next video. Peace.